The psychology of recovery. There is a moment after everything falls apart. When the noise finally stops, the messages go unanswered. The room becomes quiet. And for the first time, you are left alone with the version of yourself that survived. This is where recovery begins. Not when you suddenly feel strong, not when you stop hurting, but when you make a decision. To stop treating your pain like proof that you are broken, because recovery is not a straight line. It is not waking up one morning and magically becoming the person you used to be. In fact, you may never become that person again, and maybe that is the point. The psychology of recovery is not about returning to the old version of yourself. It is about building a new relationship with what happened. At first, your mind may replay the past again and again. What if I had said something different? What if I had noticed the signs? What if I had tried harder? The brain does this because it is searching for control. It believes that if it can understand the past perfectly, it can prevent the pain from ever happening again. But eventually, recovery asks you to release the investigation, not because the past does not matter, but because you cannot heal by permanently living inside the crime scene. You recover slowly, through small moments. The first day you laugh without feeling guilty. The first night you sleep peacefully. The first time you remember what happened, and it no longer controls your entire body. That is recovery. Not forgetting, not pretending. Integration. The pain becomes part of your story, but no longer the author of it. And this is something the human mind is capable of. Adaptation. The nervous system can learn safety again. The heart can learn trust again. The mind can discover meaning in places where it once found only loss. But recovery requires patience, because healing often happens invisibly, like a broken bone beneath the skin. You may not see the progress, but something is rebuilding. So if you are recovering right now, do not measure your healing by how often you still feel pain. Measure it by how quickly you return to yourself, by the boundaries you now protect, by the wisdom you gained, by the moments you choose life. Even when life still feels heavy, you are not behind, you are not weak, you are not failing, because recovery takes time. Some parts of you are simply learning how to feel safe again, and sometimes the strongest thing a human being can do is not to keep fighting. It is to finally give themselves permission to heal. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.